second part is elements of communication. So elements of communication means first is sender or messenger, okay, through which you send the message, okay, that is the communication part. Second is ideas, information, message being sent. You are sending to your friends some ideas, some information. For example, now you all are getting a many kind of messages about the COVID-19, the coronavirus which we are facing the problem. So here we are sending the informations, ideas, how to save ourselves, okay, messages are being sent. Okay, so that is the elements of communication. Now second is encoding, like word, symbol, gesture and sound. So encoding, and you will get one point is here decoding. So these are the most important. Encoding means, so you are sending us some words or some symbols to that person, okay, like for example you are like related to the medical, okay, so you are sending some information about the medical, like this is drops you have to eat. So the message you have been sent, so the person who is taking as a decoding, so while replying, that same language you have to be used, okay, like suppose the medical has been sent a message, the way it has been written the medically way, so same also you have to give the reply to the medically way, the way it is has been written. So like in an office way we send an application, so same way the person is getting the application, it has been granted or no, the same way that person will also going to reply you same language, okay. So that is the encoding. Now second is the communication channel. Communication channel means through where we are getting the information about COVID-19. Where we are getting? We are getting through the social network. Okay, like through the internet. Through the internet and social media or email, we are getting a lots of communication. This one information. Okay, that is the communication channel. Through channel only we are getting lots of information. Okay. Now next is the receiver or recipient. It's like target audience for the communication. So when like for example you are hosting a one program, okay, so the audiences are there, so the way you are talking to the audience, they are receiving the communication or not. So that is the receiver or a recipient, okay. Second is decoding, as I have already used explain you about the way the should be rightly decoded the same language, okay. Now next is feedback. Feedback is like, so for example I am explaining you this chapter, so are you able to understand or not, you can write in the comments, okay, the giving you the feedback. So same thing, so whatever you have received a message, आपने जो भी रिसीव किया है उसका रिप्लाई देना, that is the feedback, okay. So these are the elements of communication. We are having the 7 points. One is sender or a messenger of ideas, information, message being sent, encoding, communication channel, receiver or recipient, a decoding, and last is the feedback. So these are the most important elements of a communication.